Executive Service Corps Florida utilizes a shared Google Drive system for all projects, internal and external. This drive is most importantly used by our consultants to store and work on all project related documents. The central location allows everyone access to the same materials and versions of documents while working remotely. To ensure all ESC Florida personnel are familiar with Google Drive and its basic abilities, we have created this short instructional video. The first step to using our Google Drive is to locate the consultant portal, the folder consultants use for storing project documents and more. There are a few ways to find it, but the simplest way for some users will be to visit our website, ESC-FL.org. Type that into your search browser and go. For ease of access, you can favorite or bookmark this website as well. Once on our website, click the button on the top right portion of your screen that reads Consultant Portal. If you are given an access error when getting to this page, please skip ahead in the video to the 2-minute mark. If you're logged into your ESC Florida email address, you will have access to our Consultant Portal. Everything our consultants need to work on projects can be found within these 4 subfolders. A second way to find the consultant portal is to go to the Google Drive homepage by typing Google Drive into a search browser. When you do so, you will end up on a landing page similar to this. Click the button that reads Go to Drive, not Try Drive for Work. From there, you will end up on your account's personal Google Drive. To find the consultant portal once again, click Shared with Me on the left-hand side. There, you will see any items shared with you, and you can select Consultant Portal, which was shared by an account administrator. Then you are back to a familiar page with those 4 subfolders. If you navigate to Google Drive using your search browser or our website button and receive this access error, you are not using your ESC-FL email account and thus do not have permission to access the Google Drive. Click the username under You're Signed In As and sign in under your assigned ESC Florida email account. This will give you permission to access the Google Drive. If you follow these steps and are still having problems, please contact your ESC administrator, Alexa, for further assistance. Another way to confirm you're using the correct account is to click the icon on the top right corner of the screen next to the Google logo. A drop-down menu will appear and show you all available Google accounts. Be sure you have ESC selected. Let's explore each subfolder within the consultant portal on Google Drive. First is Clients and Projects. This subfolder is the most used by our consultants as it is the location where all project files are stored. You can sort the project subfolders alphabetically by clicking the arrow next to Name at the top or by when they were last modified as seen on the screen now. If we select one project as an example, we'll click on it and you will see more subfolders related to the project in question. These subfolders are created by the administration team when a project begins, but can be customized to best fit project needs. Next up is the Consultant Files subfolder. When a new consultant joins ESC, they are assigned a personal subfolder to use under their name. Next up is Marketing, Advertising, and Public Relations. This folder is mainly used for internal ESC activities, but contains some helpful materials such as ESC logos. The fourth and final folder is Templates, Manuals, Resources, and Best Practices. The name is self-explanatory, but inside, importantly, is a folder entitled Project Resources. This includes many templates and examples from previous ESC projects, all of which should be utilized as you execute your projects. ESC uses Google Drive in this way to improve team efficiency and eliminate redundancy. By working from the Google Drive project folder, each consultant can access the same materials, make changes in real time alongside each other, and view document history, all while working from the comfort of their own homes. With this method, it eliminates a lot of the need to send multiple files back and forth and avoids the existence of multiple versions of the same document, all aiding in a project's ultimate success. When using the drive, you will likely need to share direct links to a specific file with other members of the team or the client. Navigate to the desired file And to share, you'll hover over the document and move your cursor to the right. An emoticon will pop up of a person and a plus sign. Click that, and then you can use the button Copy Link to Share. The link will then be copied to your clipboard, and you may paste it into a document or email or any other method in order to share. You will also see permissions there. Only ESC accounts can access the shared drive as a whole, but you can set permission for a specific document to be viewed by users outside of our organization. Be careful, but when you attempt to share a Google Drive document with someone who does not have access, Google Drive will prompt you with a pop up to select permissions for that particular user. We suggest you use View Only so that they may view the document but not edit. Google Drive can be overwhelming, especially if you have not used the platform before. We hope this tutorial will assist you in navigating the basics of our consultant portal. But if you have additional questions about the shared Google Drive or would like to schedule a private session for more help, contact Operations and Support Manager Alexa Vetter Torres at the email on screen.